Today, I'm going to unbox my Shopkins Little Secrets. And guess what? I have 5 of them. I'm so excited! These are all my 5 Shopkins Little Secrets.
Ejay, which one do you want us to open first?
My favorite one is this one. It's because it has a kitty face. Inside is a Shopkins doll, which is teeny tiny, and this is where you see all the different Shopkin dolls and homes for them, and this is the home for her. And look, there's a key and there's a band with a keyhole in there. Maybe she's a doctor because she has a band-aid.
Okay.
Let's try to open the house. Wow! There's so many tiny things! Wow! Whoa! It's my new doctor home! Yay! Thank you for opening it. This is Princess Moondream. Open the second Shopkin Little Secrets. Plastic out. Whoa! I didn't know I was so strong!
Slowly.
Whoa! It looks so smooth.
That's what? What is that?
The Eiffel Tower.
Maybe she came from Paris.
Yeah, maybe. And even maybe she lives with Ladybug.
Yeah.
This is the character. And this is the house. It's so colorful. It's a cafe!
It's a cafe.
Look!
What is it, Ejay?
It's a restaurant.
It's a restaurant.
This is her workplace. I think I need to relax. This is Missy Macaroon in her cafe. Shopkin Little Secret. The character. And this is the house. Donut. She's just watching. because she has a donut house. That's why she has Donatina. It's a funny name. Number 4. This is the character. See? I want cheese hamburger. And this is the house. It's a hamburger. Her house is a hamburger. Ta-da! Wow, it's my shop. Wow, it's my shop. Yay, 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 yay. Her name is Chelsea Cheeseburger. I thought it's hamburger.
It has cheese.
Oh yeah. This is the 5th Shopkin. This is the character. She's really tiny and shiny. Look, there's a teeny tiny thing there. There's a teeny tiny thing. Her name is Jacinta. Something, my Shopkins Little Secrets. Hi, 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 hi. This is Jacinta with her precious perfume shop. Princess Moondream with her tiny paws effect. This is Donatina with her delicious donut shop. Missy Macaron with her cafe. And Chelsea Cheeseburger with her diner. Do you know which one is my favorite? It's Jacinta.